Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on Automix in Apple Music using your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Apple Music app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, go to a playlist or station that you want to listen to. Tap any song to start playing your playlist. Once the music is playing, look for the Up Next screen. That's the little QE icon in the bottom right corner. In the Up Next screen, scroll to the top of the QE. You will see a button called Automix or a small shuffle mix icon in a newer version. Tap it to turn Automix on. Once it on, Apple Music will automatically blend songs together for a continuous mix without abrupt stops. If you want to turn it off later, just go back to the same Up Next screen and tap the Automix button again. It's that simple. You can also toggle shuffle on or off while using Automix to get different variations of your playlist. Now sit back and enjoy your playlist. Automix works best with playlists that have lots of songs in a small similar genre, so the transitions sound smooth and professional. And that's it. That's how you turn on Automix in Apple Music on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.